Hi, I'm Nikki Berry from New Zealand Sotheby's International Realty. Welcome to 15 Battery Road. Be prepared to be charmed. This historical home has had all the work done and is ready to move in and enjoy. The 2 bedrooms are of a good size with freestanding wardrobes. Enjoy the ambient temperature all year round with ducted heating and cooling. You will find true tranquility and a bit of Mediterranean flair in the private and serene landscape gardens planted with lemon, fig, olive trees and framed with passion fruit and grapes. An electric gate, kwila deck, artistic paving and a white picket fence gives this home a polished perfection. A bonus is off-street parking for a campervan or boat. The property has been successfully run as an Airbnb and the site is included in the Ahuriri Heritage Trail, a timeless package just minutes from the beaches and the ambience of Ahuriri and Napier.